Let's do it then. We have given 35, 32, 29, and 5. No? And then they say which we should we should determine the sum of the series. No? And then they didn't tell us what kind of a series it is. No? They never said what kind of a series it is. So we are going to check what kind of a series it is. That's the first thing that we should check. If they didn't tell you. Sometimes they tell you, given the following arithmetic series. With this one, they didn't say anything. Yes.
Would it be possible if it were to school?
Hmm?
Would it be possible if it were to school? I should not selling the lights.
I have lights in my stuff.
Yeah, I'm scared.
But I can't go to
what? To school at night.
Yes, I can't.
Why?
Transport, come right.
Do you have legs?
So we have 35, we have 32, we have 29. So we check 35. Hmm?
Yes.
What is the difference between this one and this one?
3.
It's minus 3.
Yes.
And then we have 32. And then after that, we have 29. What is the difference between this one and this one?
Minus 3.
Minus 3. So it makes it to be an arithmetic.
Yes.
And then look at this. You have the first term, you also have the last term.
Which is 5.
Which is 5. And then you can also say we got D. Then we can use S.
No.
N. No, wait. SN. I gotta use it. Sometimes if you are being genuine with this thing, you don't try to, you say, okay, SN is going to be equivalent to A.
Yes.
Or it's going to be N
all
over 2.
A plus.
And then you say you have A plus the last term.
Yes.
You will see, this thing will tell you what is it that you still need. Like, you don't have to force it. You will see, again, I'm going to substitute here. Any person who's substituting, they will say, okay, Mara, what did I substitute? There's nothing that I can substitute for that. So it means which I need to find that. Right? So I'm going to tell them which Tn is going to be A plus N minus 1 multiplied by D.
Yes.
And then we can then say we have the last term, which is 5. And then the first
Mister, I don't see.
Huh?
I don't see.
Also.
You don't see alone, or everyone can see?
Alone.
I don't know what to say, Minampume.
I can't believe.
Guys, can we assist Mpumi how to see? Because she says she can't see.
Uyabona, Mister.
Oh, she can't see what
Yes.
I'm writing.
Yes.
Can you see now?
Yes.
Okay, we have
I
Tn.
can see all.
Tn is fine. A is 35. Plus N minus 1. Mkulana, did you win? I thought she said she didn't see.
Or Mr. Continue.
Plus Mkulana.
After Urla, I can see also. Oh, now she can see.
Hi, whenever I
Can you see now?
Yes.
she can
Yes.
Okay, it's 5 is equaling to, okay, we have this one multiplied by this one, we have this one multiplied by this one.
Yes.
So we have 35.
Mm.
We have minus 3n.
Yes.
Mister, I don't see again.
Yeah, there's a possibility of which the network is slow. When I write, it's going to show late. You know, sometimes with this man, when there's rain, no one, which the picture is coming. The picture is still coming. Can you see what I've written there?
No.
Nothing at all.
Mr. Mutotal will like the video, Mr. Natural MP.
Mpumi, I'm waiting for you to tell me if you can see now. I've written with a black pen.
I don't see. Maybe it's my network.
It's the phone. Mara, why you can't see? Mara, you said you could see, Mus.
Angoni la upala khona.
Okay, let's see. Okay, let's try to move and see which maybe as I write, maybe it will pick up. So we have this one and this one, they give us 38.
Yes.
Take 38 to this other side, it gives us
33.
minus 38 plus
Plus
5,
five.
which is going to be minus 3n.
Yes. And
Divide by
here.
3, minus 3.
Yes.
Divide by minus 3. So you have
And it's 10.
n is equal to
11, so
11. Okay, so we're looking for S11.
yes.
So we have S11, which is going to be 11 all over 2.
Our first term is 35
It's 35
plus 5.
plus 5. And then what you get as your final answer?
220.
220.
Yes.
Okay. But Sizochola, max. And then for T also. All in all, we get our 5 marks. Also was asking with Marat said, if they say write it in a sigma notation, do we have to? Also, your question was saying, which do we have to show the sum? Yes, remember our sigma is the sum. Ne? So you tell them the sum of the series ne? From n is equaling to 1. Up until we go to 11. Ne? Here we need Tn. We didn't find Tn per se. I think we did try to simplify it, Mara. We didn't find, I think Mara, we got it.
Plus minus 3n plus 38.
Yeah, it was minus 3n plus 38. Minus 3n plus 38.
21.
So we'll write here which we have minus 3n plus 38. And this is going to be equal to 203.
Yes.
This is how we should do it. Then they will give us a mark for n here. Ne? They'll give us a mark for Tn. They will give us a mark for that one. Then we get our 3 marks.
1 point.
Still nothing.